probably rare that you're going to get to use perfect shapes like ellipses or rectangles to select objects and make layer masks on the fly like this. It's probably more likely you're going to have more organically shaped objects. So I'm going to hide this layer and get an astronaut, because the outline of the shape of an astronaut is something that is going to really vary. It's not a fruit, it's not round, or if you pick something that you want to put in your composition that isn't a rectangle or an ellipse, this is what you'll need to do. Okay, for the next part of the design, I want to put a little astronaut in here, and I have a good image where the astronaut suit is well contrasted from the background. Obviously, it's not a real astronaut, but I would like to be able to put a face in here that's not this face, maybe an animal face. So I'll use this image. So I'm going to right mouse click and again copy the image and toggle over to Photoshop. These guides really are not so necessary right now, and so I will just go to guides, and I'm going to clear these guides or just hide them here. I'll just turn off the guides. Okay, so where is this going to paste when I paste it in here? Because I copied it, it's going to paste on the top of the most selected layer, which is the grapefruit, but the grapefruit's also hiding, which is fine. I just wanted to mention it. So if I paste now, or edit, I guess I didn't copy it. I better go back and right mouse click and copy the image and toggle back over. And again, something's up with my computer and it doesn't want to paste this.
Do you have something selected?
I don't think so. I think my machine's starting to have some issues, which I don't want to tell my partner because this is only 2 years old. Like, it's breaking. Paste. There it is. Okay, so that's time it pasted. I'll have to edit that out. So it was just, I was not on a good tool for pasting. I was on a selection tool, and I probably should be on the move tool. Okay. Now this is cool. I mean, I like the image. It's kind of large.
Pretty big.
It is. It is pretty big. So I'm going to turn on the show transform handles and scale it down. And I'm going to tuck this at the corner. And maybe I'll bring it down just like a slight amount here. I like the idea of, I didn't set the scale yet. I like the idea of it being a little larger, so I'll bring it down to here. I didn't. I just pasted it in. So now that it's pasted, it makes its own layer. Okay, so I pasted it, and it makes its own layer.
So what should I be clicked on?